Hello, my name is Dr. Francis Andrews and I'm the Medical Director for Bolton NHS Foundation Trust at our local hospital. I would like to thank you for your continued support during what has been an incredibly challenging year so far. Whilst I'm pleased to tell you that the number of COVID-19 cases is decreasing, the virus hasn't gone away and will be with us for the foreseeable future. This is why we must continue to work together to protect each other, our families and the wider community. At the Trust, we are very much here for those who need us, and we're doing all we can to restart some of the clinics that we had to stop during the height of the pandemic. However, to keep our patients and staff safe, we must continue to do things a little differently. Given that all the hospitals across Greater Manchester, including our hospital, are continuing to see new cases of COVID-19, it is very important that, as with other hospitals across Greater Manchester, we continue to limit the number of visitors to our Trust sites. We know that this is really difficult, not a decision that we've taken lightly, but it is something that we need to do. Anyone can catch COVID-19 and anyone can spread it, so we need to do all that we can together to stop this. It is also particularly important to continue to protect those in our community who are particularly vulnerable to this virus. As we have discussed before, evidence shows that high-risk groups include older people, those from Black, Asian and minority ethnic groups, as well as people suffering from chronic conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. We are also continuing to review and evaluate our position and to continue to work with patients, communities and staff to offer the safest levels of contact and support. We understand that not being able to see your loved ones can be very upsetting, and this is why we're doing all that we can to enable you to stay in touch safely. We have put in place a range of measures to help people stay in touch. We also have access in place to telephone interpretation in over 200 languages, and we can use this service to communicate with anyone who requires it. We also have Trust Link workers who are readily available to offer language support to families in Urdu, Punjabi, Gujarati and Hindi. Our chaplaincy services are also here to support people through this difficult time. They have prayers and resources available for staff and patients that offer spiritual and pastoral care for those who need it. Our Muslim chaplain, Imam Farouk, is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by telephone. We also welcome phone or video contact from other faith leaders. We know that you will want to do all that you can to help protect your community, and this is what we want to do too. We continue to treat everyone who attends Bolton NHS Foundation Trust as individuals, and we aim to meet all their needs, both physical and spiritual, with compassion and understanding. Thank you very much.